Alright guys, hello. We're an animal company and today we're gonna be seeing what's in the office. This is our first time and we're just gonna try and survive for a while. Right, G?
Yep.
Here, can I have a... Here, I'll just get a flash. Can I take this?
Here. I'll have this one. It's better.
Okay. Alright, let's go check it out. Oh, no. I'm scared. I need to go. You got your hook shot? What if we need to cling to the ceiling? What if we need to cling to the ceilings or something?
What happens if you lose it?
Oh, I got more. Chill.
Good. I'm ready.
Oh no. Alright, I got it. Ready? Let's go.
Oh, snap, bro.
Guys, I'm so scared.
Chat. Where are you?
I'm up here.
Go. I'm scared.
Let's go. In here?
Think so? Oh my god!
G?
I fell through the floor.
Nah, are you kidding me?
I
We just...
fell through the floor.
How do you still have your stuff?
Because I hold on to the thing.
I held on to them too. How did I did not get my stuff? It's fine, I have more.
Yo, I thought I was the one that was lagging, bro.
What happened? Wait, do I not have that? Oh, so I have all of that. G,
Yeah?
can you buy me another one of those lantern thingies?
Yeah, I can just have one of this.
I don't know why I don't have them. I guess I
They're
just...
not even.
Yeah,
that
I think I just
expensive.
didn't
They're only-
buy them.
Okay, wait until the elevator spawns, bro. Bro, I thought I was the one that was lagging. I didn't know I was lagging for you too. Oh, I'm so scared. It's still not ready yet.
Maybe it's broken. Let's go try something else.
Okay. So we're changing ideas. What are we gonna do?
Let's go. Wait, let's go over here. G?
Hey, guys, and when we post this video, please comment what you guys want us to do.
Yeah,
in the
next
comments.
time. I'm kind of scared. Let's go through here.
Do not enter. Now I'm going through here. I'm jumping onto this fan. Oh no. I'm scared. I'm scared with that, like, the creepy
Oh nah.
lady.
Oh nah.
Oh,
G, help me.
Oh, man. No.
G, come on. We gotta do this. Where is he? Where are you? G, where are you?
I'm right behind you.
Alright, let's do this. Come on. Oh no. Are you kidding me?
You got this.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. We can't be girls. Come on. We got this.
Okay, buddy. There might be some watching this video, so you might want to take that back.
Chicken Little. Oh my god. I just saw Chicken Little.
Wait,
I
he
clean
can't
to
do
the-
anything?
Look, guys, I'm cleaning to the top of the roof.
Where's Chicken Little? You said he's... G. You wanna go down here?
Right here.
Over here. Oh, nah.
Okay.
Did you guys see that
Whoa, what
glitch?
happened?
My, like, game is
I glitched.
glitching so bad.
Oh no! I want to. Hey, why is it so dark over there?
No, I think this is the green light, red light thing. No, I'm not going through
I
that.
want to go there. I want to go there.
You're going? I see
No.
Chicken Little.
Wait, turn
I
off-
see Chicken Little.
What is Chicken Little?
Hi, Chicken Little.
Okay, do not turn on your flashlight because that like creepy lady's gonna come.
Well, I'm not going over there. I'm going over here.
Just go straight.
Wait, what's that? Wait, is this like where the haunted house is? Wait a minute. Is this where the haunted house is?
Oh no, this is where the haunted house is. No, I don't.
Nah,
wanna
I
do
think
it.
we're noobs. Honestly, I think we're noobs. We just started.
That's not. Go. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Where?
Back.
Gee, where are you?
Right here.
Come on.
Where are you?
Down there. Ah, let's go down there.
No, I'm scared.
It's fine. We'll go together. It'll be fun. I promise. Wow. What is this? It can't be that bad. Come on, it can't be that bad.
What the?
Oh nah, what's this?
Oh nah. Oh nah. I'm going back.
Whoa, what is this place?
Oh nah, bro. I'm going back. Should we?
No, I'm doing it. Let's go.
We're doing it.
Yeah? Gotta do it for the
Okay, okay.
fans. Just hang to the ceiling at
If I
all
s-
times. Do you hear that?
If I see something, I'm gonna. Oh no. Why do you
Wait,
leave me?
wait, do you hear that? Oh, it's just a fan. It's just a fan. It's just a fan.
Why do you leave me, bro?
Oh, it's just a fan. Let's
You're
go.
the one.
Let's
You're the
go.
one I wanted to come here. Hurry up, then. Go first.
Why do I have to go first?
Cause you're the one I wanted to go here. Oh nah, bro.
Oh no.
Oh nah, what the hilly billy? What the hilly billy? No, I can't get out. I can't get out.
I swear I heard something. I heard something.
God, that's so scary. I'm scared that the creepy lady's gonna come out.
I swear I heard something. What the hell,
Don't
Billy?
leave me.
Let's go.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh hell no, man.
Dude, there's nothing. Oh no. Oh, that was just from me going too fast, right?
What is this? Oh, stop.
What is this?
What the? What the? That's all it does?
Nah, it tells us where to go? What?
No, it does not. The only thing it says is go straight.
I don't understand. What do we do with this?
Phew, I'm getting the sherbety timbers over here.
Oh, I think I know. Where do we go? Wait, I think we have to go back to where the arrows are pointing.
Oh, hell no.
What? I don't understand. What's happening? What do we do? Did I just waste $399 for nothing?
Actually, shekels. Oh, I don't even know what those are. Wait, do you think we're supposed to press the buttons?
What buttons?
Do you think all those buttons? Do you think we're supposed to press all of them?
Which ones? Where?
The button.
No, what if they're bombs?
Nah, bro.
Wait, why is there a random X here?
Oh, what's up?
Who was that? Oh, was that just you touching the bushes?
I think so. I think so. I think so.
Wait, X marks the spot. Maybe this is where the treasure.
Oh, what the?
Well, what's
I
in
just
here?
heard something. I heard
What's
like a
this?
click.
What's this? Why is there nothing?
What is that?
Why is there
Do you see that little
dark?
person in there?
Little person? There's a
You see that little person in it?
Wait, is that a mask? Okay, guys, can you please tell us in the comments? For those people that actually play in one company as much, a lot, tell us what this is. Okay, well, there's an X over there, and there's an arrow over here, so I'm going over here. Gee, there's nothing.
Okay. What happened?
I just went through one of the bushes and it made a weird sound.
We gotta keep going.
There's
Okay?
nothing.
Let's keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight.
There's nothing. Should we touch one of those bombs?
I saw the wall. I saw the ball. I saw the ball. Nah, I'm out. I'm
Nah,
out.
you're kidding. You're just saying that.
I'm dipping. I'm dipping.
No.
I'm dipping. Nah, that's it.
Nah, that's all. Nah, I'm out. You're kidding. You're just saying
I'm
that.
dipping.
Nah,
I'm not saying anything.
should we just
Bro,
throw? Should we just throw these things away? Should we just throw these things away?
Or should we go back? Should we go back? Should we go back?
There's nothing. Okay, let's go somewhere else.
Let's go back.
Let's throw these back in. Oh,
You almost died. Wait, let's keep going. Let's go back to the lobby.
hi, Chicken Little. Oh, nah.
Chicken Little's so G. I'm not even kidding.
He's such a Jeeves-id.
Like he's so iconic.
Wait, I remember something. Gee, remember over here? G,
Where are you?
remember?
Oh, I remember that place. Look, a couch over here.
What is this place? I'm out.
Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Ow. What happened to me? G, what happened? G, my
Oh, nah.
Oh, nah, you guys saw that, right? Alright, what do we do now?
Okay, what? We should go to caves.
Nah, I kinda wanna go to this place. And
Over
just-
there?
No, the rocket ship. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Oh, the rocket ship.
I
Let's
forgot.
go.
I lost my backpack. I'm just gonna buy a regular one. Haley Bailey. With the Haley Bailey. Well, I need that first, right? Get out. What the? Wait, G, wait for me.
The rocket isn't even there.
Actually?
I'm not even kidding.
What? Did somebody destroy it? What happened to Kanopi? I think that's in him. Whoa, what is this?
Well, I'll come right back.
Where are you going? Alright, guys. Well, I guess that's the end of our video. Gee, should we just end it here?
I guess so.
Alright.
But guys, please, guys, the only thing we need. So yeah, so just comment what we should do next
comment
time.
down what we should do next. Survivor challenges, hide and seek. We should go to the arena next time. Just comment down. Alright. We're out.
See ya.
Leave a like and subscribe,
We're out.
please. And then
Yep.
comment
See ya.
down what we should do next time.
See ya.
Bye.